Hey guys, welcome to Safi Next. In this video, I will let you know how to troubleshoot the blue screen error that stops your computer working like the one you see over here. It sometimes happens that your computer suddenly stop working showing this message and then restart your computer. So you can troubleshoot your computer for this error, and that you can do by first going to Windows settings, and Windows settings can be initiated by pressing Windows and I keys together on your keyboard. So here is Windows settings, and on Windows settings I click System folder, and then I come to this window. And being on this window, here is Get Help app. If you click on Get Help, it will open the Get Help app. So here is the Get Help app coming on. You see here is written Get Help. So this is in fact Get Help app. I minimize the Windows setting button and we are here to help. So this is called Get Help app. In the Get Help app, there are some built-in questions that you may select. For example, these are brightness and color, multiple display, so on. And there are some other questions if you come down a list of different questions. But we are searching for the blue screen error. So I should put here in the uh, search bar troubleshoot, troubleshoot blue screen error, and here it comes in the second option. So I click this and the window is now searching for. It asks me, have you recently installed a specific update or driver on your computer? I don't know, I haven't, so I click no. Then it asks me another question, have you recently added new hardware to your PC? Very rare, so I click on no. Check for updates. Many blue screen errors can resolve by making sure that the Windows is up to date. In the search box, so you should enter Windows Update, select Windows Update. So you see, if your computer is suffering from blue screen error, you need to check the answer correctly. Since my computer has no such error, therefore I'm checking no, no, no. But if you have recently installed a hardware or you have updated your menu, you need to check that particular answer. That may be yes in your case. So if you check a yes to a question, the window may take you to another screen, but there is no problem with my computer, therefore I'm not going for those answers. And if you haven't installed any hardware or you haven't updated your computer and still it is giving you a blue screen error, then you need to check for update. And what does this ask me? In the search bar on the taskbar, enter Windows Updates. Select Windows Updates on the Windows Update page, select check for updates. So you need to come to your taskbar and in the taskbar region right here Windows updates, and here it comes checks for updates or Windows update settings. So I just click on checks for update, and you see now I'm here on security updates and security in the Windows settings, and the window is checking for updates. And you see it gives me the message you are up to date, means there is no issue with my computer regarding updates, so I don't need to check the updates. However, if you are not up to date and your however if your computer is not up to date, then you need to click this button, check for updates, and updating your computer may resolve your blue screen error. However, if that doesn't work, then that means you will go to your troubleshooting and set a troubleshooter. The troubleshooter may help in resolving your problem. And in some cases, the troubleshooter may not resolve your problem. Then the only option left with you is to reinstall a new copy of the Windows. That's definitely a headache, but sometimes you need to take pains for resolving issues. If you haven't yet subscribed to Safi Max, kindly support the channel and also hit the like button in the video. Thanks for watching.